Good morning guys, and in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G57 Power, and I would like to show you how to remove Google personalized ads. So once you want to get rid of all personalized ads, just enroll the settings. Now find and select Google. Okay, so it's at the top of the list. And now select all services. Here you will notice ads, so just mark to customize. And now you can delete advertising ID permanently, just mark it here. And to confirm, just mark delete advertising ID. Just remember that apps will be able to show you ads, however they will not be that relevant. So it's super useful. Just mark it here and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.